Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make aloe vera oil for my hair. I use it as a moisturizer and as a conditioner, and to double increase my hair growth. Aloe vera oil is very good for your hair. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to use this wonderful plant to grow your hair, to double the length. So stay tuned and watch till the end. You will learn step-by-step detail on how to prepare the oil. Before we continue, I would like you to like this video, drop a comment if you have any question, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. So first of all, you would want to wash the aloe vera. I want you to take note of these parts, these yellow stuffs on the aloe vera. They are not good for your hair, so ensure that you wash them out with your water. Wash it very well. So these yellow stuffs are not good for your hair, so that is why I washed them out. So slice the aloe vera after washing. So this is me cutting my aloe vera. So there's no trick to that. You just slice it. And voila, there you have it. So next I'm going to transfer my aloe vera to this bowl because I want to add my oil and boil. So I'm transferring it to this bowl, as you can see. So, and I will add my oil, and the quantity of oil you add depends on the quantity you want to make. So I'm just going to add a little oil and I will boil it. This is castor oil, as you can see. So this quantity is enough for me because I just want to make a little that I will use for my night routine. So the method we are going to use is the double boiler method, and my water is boiling already. I'm going to drop the aloe vera inside, and I would stir with my spoon. I'll stir with my spoon. So you're going to let it boil for the nutrients to mix in with your oil. Yes. So leave it to boil for some minutes. So you keep stirring. So for the oil to absorb the nutrients in the aloe vera. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits. It repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It acts as a great conditioner for your hair, so you can use this as your leave-in conditioner. You can apply it on your scalp when going to bed at night and wash off in the morning. It leaves your hair smooth and shiny. Being that there is castor oil inside, your hair will definitely shine. Aloe vera helps to activate new hair growth. I mean, your hair length will double when you are using this oil. It's increased blood circulation on the scalp. So when you massage this oil into the scalp, your hair will grow. You will experience increase in hair growth. So our oil is ready. The next thing to do is to drain. So we're going to drain the oil into this bowl. So voila, our aloe vera oil is ready for use. So this is our aloe vera oil. You can apply this to your scalp, leave it in for 40 minutes to 1 hour, and wash off with a shampoo. This is very good for your hair. You have to wait for the oil to cool down before applying. You can apply this at night, cover with your silk scarf, and then wash off in the morning. You leave it in your hair and wash off in the morning. I've transferred the oil in my container for future use, and I'm going to apply this in my hair and cover with my silk scarf. So I would show you how I'm going to massage this oil into my scalp and then cover with my scalp. So you can leave it in for 1 hour or 40 minutes during the day, but I am going to leave mine overnight and wash off in the morning for best results. So you can do this when going to bed and wash off in the morning to get best results. So don't forget to like this video, share, click on the notification bell, comment. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.